Hey there, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing one of our wide range operating temperature Intel Atom fanless industrial box PCs, the 2210A. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it'll look like when you first open the box. There'll be a smaller white box inside, and then below that is the IPC2210A. Let's move that aside for now. Let's take a look at the smaller box first with all the accessories. There's going to be a DC to DC converter here. Let's take this out. And here's your DC to DC converter. Put that aside. There's also a DIN rail adapter. This is for your DC to DC converter. And here is the input power cable to your IPC2210A. Also, there are 4 rubber feet and also the bolts for the wall mounting kit. And then here are the plates for the wall mounting kit. Here is the IPC2210A. Let's take it out of the box. And it's going to be encased in foam. Remove it from the foam. And that's also wrapped in anti-static plastic. Remove it from the plastic. And then here is the IPC2210A. Okay, let's first take a look at the bottom of your PC. Here you'll notice you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt holes. This is for attaching your wall mounting plates, the 2 plates that come in your accessory box. And then if you go to your front I/O, you have 2 USB 2.0 host ports, 4 DE9 serial ports, and you have your power/CPU activity status LED lights. This is to look at the status of your CPU as well as the power from the PC. And then there's also a momentary power switch. Let's go to the rear I/O. And here you'll see the optional antenna fixtures. This is for your optional Wi-Fi, which also includes Bluetooth 4.0 support. Next to that is your 12-volt DC power input. Now remember, this is 12-volt DC only for this PC. Next to that are 2 DP++ DisplayPort outputs. And then also there are 2 USB 3.2 host ports. This is one of the few PCs that has 2 3.2 host ports as well as 2 DP++ DisplayPort outputs. Next to that are 2 USB 2.0 host ports, then 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports, then there's a digital I/O DE9 port. This is one of the few PCs that has digital I/O using a DE9. And then finally, there is an audio 3.5mm line out. Let's go to the bottom of the PC again. Let's take a look at their model name and your build number. So if you need to reorder this PC, you'll need your model name and then you'll need your build number. Next to that is an embedded Windows license. You have the option of purchasing a PC with an embedded Windows license or a non-embedded Windows license. So in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at a facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it's essentially plug and play. You can also purchase the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I'm going to share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting the IPC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Now I want to power on the PC. So I have a power supply going into the DC to DC converter, and it's going to convert 24 volts into 12 volts, which will output to the PC. I also have a DisplayPort adapter going into an HDMI, which is then going into one of our monitor 6000s. This is our 15-inch model. So now I'm going to turn on my power supply and it's going to boot up the PC. You can see the power status light. You see the Windows logo on the monitor. You can see the CPU status light. And there's the user welcome screen. And there it is. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PC line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.